Welcome back to Tough Finance, where we pull back the curtain on the financial circus and show you the clowns running the show. Today's topic, taxes. And here's the truth no one with a book funnel will tell you. Taxes are optional, but only if you're rich. For the rest of us, it's a mandatory game of guess which deduction doesn't get you audited. Let's talk about how the rich dodge taxes like it's a sport, while you're out here sweating over $400 refund and hoping you didn't forget a form. Part 1, the dream: minimize your tax burden. You've heard the pitch, you just need the right strategies, the right structure and the right mindset, bro. Then you can keep more than you earn. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. That dream, it's only real if you already make enough to afford playing the game, because the tax code isn't just complicated, it's hierarchical. The more money you make, the more tools you get to avoid taxes. It's like a loyalty program for billionaires. You earn more? Great, welcome to capital gains. You own assets? Even better, skip income entirely. You poor? Congrats, you get a standard deduction and vibes. Part 2, how the rich actually do it. Let's break this down. Here's what rich people understand that you don't. Number 1, income is for suckers. Wages are taxed hardest, capital is taxed less, but unrealized gains, not taxed at all. Rich people don't earn income, they let assets go up in value and never sell. Instead, they borrow against those assets at 2-3% interest and call it a cash flow. It's called buy, borrow, die, and it's the closest thing to financial immortality. Number 2, everything is a deduction. Your meals, post-tax. Their steak dinner, client development. You bought a laptop, they bought a yacht and wrote it off as a mobile office. The rich turn expenses into tax breaks, you turn income into bills. Number 3, corporations are cheat codes. You work a 9 to 5, they own an LLC, you get taxed first. They spend first and then get taxed on what's left. Their company pays for their car, their house, their phone, their vacations. You pay for all that, then hope for a tax return that barely beats inflation. Number 4, real estate is their playground. Real estate is a tax cheat that keeps on giving. Depreciation lets them lose money while collecting rent. 1031 exchanges let them swap properties and dodge capital gains. Cost segregation lets them accelerate depreciation and front load write-offs. It's not just a house, it's a legal tax shelter with granite countertop. Number 5, charity, but make it profitable. You donate $50 to a food bank and feel good. They donate $5 million in appreciated stock to their own foundation, then pay themselves a salary to run it. It's not philanthropy, it's a tax arbitrage with a warm fuzzy headline. Part 3, why you can't play the same game. The game isn't fair and it was never supposed to be. You file a W-2, you get withheld before you touch your money. They structure their income, they choose how and when to recognize earnings. You file your taxes in April, they file extensions, then refile, then amend, then delay, and maybe settle 12 years later. Part 4, the bitter truth. Look, here's the brutal reality. The rich didn't beat the system, they built it. You're trying to outsmart a maze designed by the people already on the other side. Your CPA is trying to get you a few $100s back. Their tax strategist is designing multi-generational wealth plans that skips taxes completely. It's not just unfair, it's mathematically humiliating. Part 5, what you can actually do. So what now? Lay down and take it? Nah. You can win their game, but you can stop playing yours wrong. Here's what might help. Start a business, even a small one. Open up deductions, max out pre-tax accounts, 401k, HSA, IRA, boring but effective. Own assets, not just income, ETFs, REITs, and even a rental property. Get aggressive about deduction, legally but creatively. Study the code like it's a weapon, because it is. Most importantly, stop assuming the system is fair. It's not. It's tilt. Learn to lean with it. That's it for today's rage-inducing therapy session. If you learned something or just felt less insane for being frustrated, hit that subscribe button. This is Top Finance. Stay cynical, stay solvent, and may your refunds be large and your audits non-existent.